Okay, in this video we're going to be showing you how to install the Genie Streams software on a MiBox. Okay, if you don't have a MiBox, you need to watch one of the other videos that show you how to install it on the Amazon devices or on the NVIDIA Shield. Alright, however, if you've got a MiBox, this is the video you want to watch. So you got a brand new MiBox, or you've had your MiBox and you haven't installed the software. First thing you want to do is you want to come down to Settings. And then in Settings, you want to come down here to Security and Restrictions. And Unknown Sources, you want to turn that on. Hit OK. I always turn off Verify Apps. Okay. And then we're going to come back to the home screen. And then what you want to do is go to Google Play Store. And what you want to download is this program here, ES File Explorer. So you go to Google Play Store, come up here to Search, and type in ES, and if you type in ES, it's usually the first thing that pops up. So we'll click on ES File Explorer, and you'll see I have it installed, but if you click on it, it'll give you an install option here. You'll install it. Once that's been installed, you want to open ES File Explorer. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is come over here on the left hand side and go to Favorite. Now I already have the favorite added. Let me remove it real quick. There we go. So we're going to come back up here to Add. So we're going to add a favorite, and this is the path: http://www.vdmbox.com /app/G S .apk. Alright, then we want to come down here come down here to name, and we're just going to name it Genie. Okay, just so we know what the favorite is, and we're going to click Add. Alright, and it tells us the bookmark Genie is created successfully. So now if we scroll down the list, Genie will be down here. We're going to click on that, and the download will start automatically. Now this will be determined by your internet speed as far as how fast it downloads. My internet's been acting funny lately, so it's going to take a little longer than usual. But as soon as the download is complete, we'll be back and show you the next step. Okay, now that the download is complete, you'll see this box. What you want to do here is you want to make sure you click on Open File. Okay, then we're going to click on Install. Then we're going to come down here, click Install again. This will take a few seconds, and what it's doing is it's installing the Genie Streams software. And when that's complete, we'll go through the setup process. Alright, so app installed. So we're going to click on Done. And at this point, we can back out of Internet Explorer. Okay, now what you're going to notice is there's no emblem for Genie Streams on here. So what we want to do, come down to Settings, go to Apps, and click on Genie Streams, and we're going to click Open. Okay, now at this point, this is how we're going to register for the 48-hour trial. So what you're going to do is you're going to enter an email address. And you want to make sure you enter an email address that you can check. Otherwise, you will not get the PIN code and you will not be able to activate the software. So we're going to just type in an email address here. Okay, and then all you're going to do is click on Send PIN. Alright, so usually takes a couple minutes, but you'll receive an email with the PIN number. So I'm going to go get my PIN right now. Okay, so I'm going to come up here, I'm going to type in my PIN, and these PINs are unique to your email and device, so no PIN is used more than once. And we'll click activate. Okay, and then it's going to take us into the software. Now at this point, what we need to do is we need to install the custom build. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to Genie Builds, and there's one build in there. We're going to select it, and we're going to click on this screen. What it's telling you is it needs to install our media player application, so just click download. When this finishes downloading, it's going to prompt you to install it. Go ahead and install it. Once the installation of this media player is done, then it'll prompt you to continue to install the build. So we're going to go ahead and click install. Okay, and then click done. Now press next to continue. And it tells us Genie version 6.0 is not currently installed. Do we wish to install it or launch it? We want to install it. Okay, so we're going to click I agree. And this is going to download and install. And when this is done, we'll be back and go over the next steps. Okay, this is just about done installing. Okay. Alright, so at this point, it's going to tell you that it was successfully installed. Do you wish to launch it? You can go ahead and click yes. Okay, and it's going to go ahead and launch the custom Genie Streams build. And this is where you'll go for video on demand content, movies, TV shows, sports replays, things like that. Alright, so it'll open up just like this. Now if you have a Genie TV subscription, Genie TV is still in here right now. So if you currently have a Genie TV subscription and you continue your Genie TV subscription, you'll be able to access it here. Alright, you've got your movie hub, your TV show hub, your kids hub, sports replays, news, Spanish movies and TV shows, your mature section, if you have a Real to Brit account, this is where you'll go to authorize your Real to Brit account. And of course, under system, you've got your speed test and your cleaning tools that you'll want to run to keep everything running optimally. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and exit out of this. Okay, and now that we're back here, you'll notice that now on the home screen you've got your media center. Alright, now if you have subscribed to Vudu Media, what you'll want to do is come over to apps, come down to video and scroll over, and you'll see Vudu. Okay, so we're going to click on that and we're going to click download. Click I agree. This is going to download and install the Vudu Media application. Okay, so we're going to click on install. Okay, and we're going to click on done. So now that's installed. So now if we click it, it's going to open Vudu Media. You'll type in your username and password. Okay, and you're going to click login. And that's going to take us into Voodoo Media. So now if we click on live TV, there you go. There's all your live TV. Right.
Use your eyes, watch for you.
Now, one thing I highly suggest when you first launch Voodoo Media, come up to the top right here where the 3 dots are. Click on it. Refresh the TV guide. Click yes. And what that's going to do is it's going to refresh the TV guide info for the channels. And so now when we go into live TV, if we go to US channels, you'll see there underneath the video, it shows you what's on, what's coming on.
I think it's important that you see.
And you'll also notice when we back out of here, we go back to home, now you've got your media center and Voodoo Media right on your home page. Alright? So that's all there is to it, guys. Now, the media center, again, when you activate it, it gives you a 48-hour trial. So after the 48 hours, when you try to launch the software, okay, when you try to launch the software, it's going to come up with a payment screen to pay for the software. The software is a one-time $30 fee, and you'll be prompted with a payment screen after 48 hours, and all you'll do is enter your card information on that screen and click pay, and it'll automatically activate your software permanently. Okay, so once again, this was how to install and set it up. Payment for the actual software you'll make after 48 hours, and you'll make it right on your TV screen. So of course you've got your apps, your retro gaming, your settings. So other than that, guys, that's how easy it is. That's the installation and setup on a MiBox. It's not complicated, very easy to do, and this allows you guys to purchase your device yourself and program it yourself at home. So there's no waiting. You don't have to wait for shipping. So it's just a lot easier all the way around. All right. So if you guys have any questions about this video, installing it on the MiBox, or you're running into any issues, feel free to contact us and we'll go ahead and help you through it. All right. One last thing I am going to show you guys. If we come out of the software, remember how I said that there's no icon on the home screen of your MiBox? You'll see Voodoo Media, but you won't see Genie Streams. What you can do is go to the Google Play Store and again search for an app, and the app name is TV TV App Repo is the name of it. So if you see, we typed in TV, and TV App Repo shows up right here. If we click on that, well, where is it? Let's see. TV App Repo. There it is. Alright. So we're going to click on TV App Repo and click Install. Okay, we're going to let this install. And the reason you need to do this if you want a shortcut to the Genie Streams app on your home page is just because of the way the software is on the MiBox and on the NVIDIA Shield. This is the only way to do the shortcut. So we're going to go ahead and click Open, and we're going to click Allow. And then right here you're going to see Genie Streams. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to click Create Shortcut. Okay? And it tells you it may take up to 20 seconds. And what you're going to do is you're going to click Install. It's going to say Installed. You're going to hit Done. Alright? So now, let's go back. And now you see there's a Genie Streams icon. Okay? Now you can move these. Let's go back here. You can rearrange your icons. if you hold down the OK button, and then you'll move it over, so we can move Genie Streams to the beginning, and then we can come over and we can move Voodoo. We'll move it right there, and then we'll click done. So now they're right there under apps. Okay, so there you go. That completes the setup, and now you can access these both right from your home screen of your MiBox. Okay, you can also access Voodoo from inside the software, so you can just go into the software and launch Voodoo from there as well. It's totally up to you. Alright, so that completes this video, guys. Hopefully this helps you guys get the software installed on your MiBox, and you shouldn't run into any issues. It's pretty straightforward. Just follow the instructions. If you do have any problems, let us know and we'll help you out. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video.